This video is for educational purpose. This is the KYC bypass method for educational purpose alone. YouTube, please take note of that. All right, this video is for educational purpose. So for those of you that asked me for this video, here we go. Let's go to my phone screen. So the first thing we are going to do is you are going to download OBS and you are going to download BlueStack. The other one that you need, I'm going to let you know how you get it.
So once you get to your browser, I want you to type OBS Studio. So the first link, just go straight to the point and click it. So once you get there, if you are using Windows, if you are using Mac, if you are using Linux, anyone that you are using, just download it. Like I said, this video is extremely for educational purpose. I'm not in support of any illegal activities at all. All right. So once you're done downloading that, then you search for BlueStacks and make sure don't click on the first link. Go to the second link where you see the BlueStack logo. You can see there is no logo at the top one. Then you go straight and download. All right. So I'm going to download this now. You can see we have BlueStack for Air. We have BlueStack Store. So you can decide to download whichever one you are looking for. But for me, I will just click on the normal download because I'm on Windows, right? I'm on Windows. So that's what I'm going to do. So now I just click on download. It's already downloading. So I have the tools downloaded on my computer already. So I will just walk you around how these things works. Make sure you watch this video to the end and please share this video. If you want me to be dropping video and educational videos like this, please make sure you watch this video to the end and share with others, right? Very, very necessary. All right, so this is the BlueStack after installing it. So you can sign up, you can sign in, you understand. So make sure you set an account. This is BlueStack is like mirroring your phone, bringing your phone to your system. All application that you need on phone will be there. And this is the OBS. We are going to need OBS as well. All right, so this is OBS. I just opened the OBS now. So once you are done setting everything up, you can see I already sign up the BlueStack already. And now if you can see the BlueStack is open. So here is the OBS. All right, so I just opened the OBS and I'm going to insert an image inside. So that's why I'm selecting this screen. So make sure you pay attention to it. So I'll pick this image, then I'll upload it there. You can see what I choose. I choose image. I choose a display capture from the source. So you can see the two. So I'm going to show you how you can record and how we can make this stuff, detected by the BlueStack. But before now, there is a shell I install on my system. All right, so that shell, you need it. Very, very important. But this video is for educational purpose. So we are going to run a test on the webcam now. So I'm going to start the test so we can see if the OBS will be detected. All right, so this video is for educational purpose. I keep singing it. YouTube, take note of that, please. So now let's check it if it works. So now if I zoom, it's zoom. That means webcam is already detecting this picture inside OBS here. So you can see how it is. Very, very easy. So I'm going to record. So I'm going to record now and let's see what we have. So I download it. Then we play. All right, so when we play like this, you can see. So when we play, the zoom that we zoom, all the effect is being taking place. All right. So if you want to make this so perfect, all you just have to do on your system, you need to install like deep cam, like the fake video call. Then from that method, your face can be detected live. So you are going to have like the fake video call. Then you have the like deep live cam or Avatarify. Then you have the OBS. Then you have the BlueStack. So once the fake video call get detected inside the OBS and you are looking at it with your eye contact, then the BlueStack, you can connect it to the BlueStack, and the BlueStack will verify whatever you want to verify for educational purpose, like I said. All right, so this is it. You can see we just texted it and it's work very, very perfect. So make sure you watch this video to the end. You see, what would you like to record? So whatever things you want to record, you can record to text. So if there's a video you want to place, you can actually place a video there, and the video you are going to paste depend on the kind of requirements the website require. Let's say if your website, the reason why I'm doing this video is because if your webcam do not have a camera, right, and you are in a tight situation, so you can make use of this OBS for educational purpose. All right, so know how this things works. So it's for educational purpose. I keep singing in YouTube, please take note of that. So you see now I just record another one. In some KYC, they will ask you to make to look left, to look right, to look up, to look down. So in a video like that, you can use an AI to generate that kind of a video, or maybe you find a video like that you want to use of yourself, or maybe you use the deep cam to get a video like that. So here are the tools I make use of. All right, very, very important. Here are the tools I make use of. So don't forget about this. So I make use of KYC bypass quality image. The image you are going to use should be quality, right? So emulator, very, very important. So emulator is one of the things that help in this video. All right, so one of the emulator is the OBS, BlueStacks, you can see etc. So any of them that you are using, it is very, very important. And you can see from my screen what I'm dragging. I don't want to review that here because it is not good for me to review. So make sure you share this video if you found this video useful. There are some things that is not allowed by YouTube. So I cannot go more than beyond the requirements of YouTube. All right, because this particular video I'm making is extremely for educational purpose. Okay, it's for educational purpose. So make sure you share this video, like this video, and if you are joining my channel for the first time, make sure you subscribe so that anytime I drop amazing content like this one, you are watching, you won't miss out. All right, so if you can do it like this and you install the BlueStack just the way I show you from the start, trust me, you are good to go. Then before you do any other thing, make sure you go to this website, webcam text, to text your application if it is running smoothly. All right, you need to test your application if it is running smoothly. So you can see how I did it, and you can see how I zoom it and it zoom. All right, so this method, if you go to the website you want to make use of, and you are going to see that your OBS is going to be detected instantly without no issue. But this video, like I said, is extremely for educational purpose. That's why I'm recording it, so you can see how it works. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that anytime I drop amazing video like this one you just watched, you won't miss out. See you in my next video. Make sure you turn on the notification button. So I'm just trying to share some other idea so you can know how perfect this thing is, and continue watching because the second tutorial is going to be added to this video. All right,